Namaste students. So we are going to see the trick of how to find the squares of numbers with last digit 5. So here we have a series of numbers: 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square, 75 square, 85 square, 95 square and 105 square. So here just write the last number as it is, that is 25, throughout the series. So all the answers would be ending with 25. Now think of the next number of the given digit. So 2 is given here. What is the next number of 2? 3. So 2 into the next number. So 2 into 3. 6. 3 into the next number. So 3 into 4. 12. 4 into next number is 5. 4 5s are 20. 5 6 are 30. 6 7s are 42. 7 8s are 56. 8 9s are 72. 9 10s are 90. And the next number of 10 is 11. So 10 11s are 110. Thank you, students.